staircases. Capacity is 3 persons, 25 and this is in Punavuori, Red Line in Helsinki, it's across Finland. Amazing. Amazing find. Unexpected.
Yeah.
I think it's the only elevator in this building if this was here.
Yeah.
It has a beautiful interior. Specifically made here. And it was built in 1968. Turned 50 years old in 2018. It's going to be would have been inspected in next year, 2020. And the serial number is H16177. It was maybe close to would have received pop-out fixtures.
Yeah.
That's right. Beautiful numbers.
Yeah.
Still in good shape, but they have scratched a bit.
Yeah.
This building probably dates back to the early 20th century.
Yeah.
Beautiful golden brass from 1968.
Yeah. Spectate Park-wise and maintained by Pääkaupunkiseudun
And maintenance.
Yeah.
5 floors. This should have been in Swedish and Finnish.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you.
That's